Good Monday morning, everybody. We're going to do this one for our coloring book page today. It's a very mandala-like thing. You're going to start with a Rangoli type grid. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sections. So it's a 12 section thing. From this one to this one, around this one here, we're going to go and make a loop, and then do the next one, make a loop, skip every other one here, right? Make a loop, make a loop. So it kind of looks like a star in the middle with these loops. And then we're going to connect this arm to that arm across. Okay. Then from the top of this loop to over here, make kind of a little S curvy shape all the way around. And then going the other direction, same thing. So we end up with this bracket shape here, like this, which I might draw it that way instead of one and then the other. We'll see. And then in the middle, we do a rice-like shape. So the final thing looks like that. And then you can embellish however you want. This one, she's done some like eyes. She's done like an aura. She's done like a, just done a, oh, my brain just took a, I just took a brain dump. A thickened line on just one side to give it a little dimension. I might do that. We'll see. We'll see what happens when I get done. I have already drawn out the grid. You can see that on my paper. I'm going to turn on some lights, so watch your eyes. Okay, and then zoom out. Hey, can you guys see that I've already drawn my grid? So, first step is that loop. The loop. I'm going to draw the loop with my pencil, I believe, because how do I want that? Just around there, okay. Something like that. Okay, I like that. That's good. I think I want my loops to kind of end at the same point though. So I think what I will do is I will bring myself another line right here. So I can kind of stop the tops of my loops all at about the same point. Yeah, I did pretty good. Only one of them was up higher than that loop, so that's not bad. Okay. Let's do that first. I need my bigger pen. What did I do with my bigger pen? There it is. like that. Yes. And then we're going to connect these guys. There you go. Perfect. Just as it's supposed to be. And then here, from here to here, I'm going to draw, I'm going to do it in pencil. First, I want to draw a, like that. That. Okay. Pen. Ooh, it's getting hot in here. I tried to get out here early today because I knew it was going to get warm. But it's already getting warm. Okay. And then the rice-like shape in the middle of here. So we're going to go like that. Just like that. Now, the question is, do I need to do something else with it? Or do I leave it for you guys? I'm gonna leave it for you guys. Let's keep it simple. Keep it simple. This one is called Imbali. I-M-B-A-L-I. Coloring book page number 32. It's going to be up on the channel on August 10th. Perfect. All right, there we go. I will erase all those lines, obviously, before it gets published. But I like to have you guys have the best of line work, but I want it to not smear. And I know from experience that there's a possibility, if I really rub hard with my eraser to get all my pencil lines out, that this pen will smear unless it's completely dry. So we're going to wait, let that dry. That's a fun little pattern, easy to embellish. I see all sorts of ways I would embellish this. Yes, you could make those look eye-like. You could add more like additional petal coming up. You could put some like vines or curly things. You could put a pattern in the middle. There's all sorts of things you can do. Yeah. I think that's it for today. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.